Hello everyone. Welcome to One More Thing. Today I want to share with you a dilemma that may occur during travel. That is, losing all your belongings. This situation can make you feel very uneasy and helpless. But don't worry, I will share some tips on how to get home safely in this situation. First of all, when you find that you have lost all your belongings, you should call the police as soon as possible. The police can provide you with some assistance, such as providing you with temporary accommodation or connecting you with your embassy or consulate. After calling the police, you will need to provide as many details as possible, such as when, where, and other relevant information about your missing item. This will allow the police to better assist you. After calling the police, you'll need to find some temporary accommodation. You can consider staying in a local hotel, youth hostel, or homestay. If you choose to stay in a hotel or youth hostel, you need to make sure that these accommodations are safe and secure. You can check reviews of places to stay online to see if they are safe or not. Next, you need to contact your family or friends and tell them about your situation. They can provide you with some assistance, such as sending money or buying a plane ticket home. You can also seek assistance at the embassy or consulate. They can provide you with some help and advice. If you need to go home, you might consider buying a plane ticket. If you do not have a passport or other documents, you can apply for a temporary travel document at an embassy or consulate. These documents can help you pass customs and security checks and get home smoothly. Finally, you need to stay calm. Losing all your belongings can make you feel very uneasy and helpless. But you need to stay calm. This will allow you to better deal with the dilemma and find a solution to the problem. In conclusion, losing all your belongings can be tricky. But if you stay calm, call the police, find temporary accommodation, and contact family or friends, you can get home safely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope my suggestions are helpful to you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. We will continue to bring you more valuable videos.